I'm John Otis with the New York Times Learning Network. Do your students know that the African nation of Madagascar is an island? Or that Scotland, which was once historically independent, is now part of the United Kingdom? Can they find Costa Rica on a map? Every Monday morning, the Learning Network publishes our Country of the Week feature, an interactive quiz designed to build students' geography skills and broaden their sense of the world. The quizzes zero in on parts of the globe that are making front-page headlines, as well as other interesting places that we think students would enjoy learning more about, all supplemented by Times reporting. Each quiz begins by prompting students to find that week's country on a map. Then it asks 4 additional questions about the demographics, history, economy, and culture of that country. At the end of each quiz, we include links to recent Times reporting from that part of the world, in case you or your students would like to explore a bit further. In addition to helping students bone up on their geography skills, the Country of the Week feature is a vivid showcase of the variety of Times journalism being done around the world. Everything from feature stories, videos, to slideshows, interactives, and more. We hope your students enjoy taking the quizzes and that they learn something new about the history, geography, and societies of the world.